Hi, I'm Nancy Santesso, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about the Cochrane GRADEing Methods Group. As you might have guessed, the Grading Methods Group does cover methods for how to grade and how to grade evidence in systematic reviews. But our main goal is also about ensuring that evidence from reviews is interpreted and then presented so that it is easy to use by decision makers. Decision makers could include policymakers, guideline developers, a clinician, or a consumer. We know that it is tough to understand risk ratios and mean differences. And we also know that it's tough to figure out whether we should believe those results. Basically, decision makers want to know, will this treatment improve quality of life, for example? By how much, and are we sure about it? When did it begin? Well, there was a lot of work in the beginning to develop the GRADE approach in association with the GRADE Working Group, which started in the late 1990s. We then continued after that to determine how to present the results in summary of findings tables. And I actually remember back in the early 2000s when members of the group were working on what then was called balance sheets. And these eventually became summary of findings tables. Back then, the goal was to create a table that would present the results of a review, a table that decision makers could use to balance the benefits and harms of an intervention when making decisions. Many of us have also researched how to use GRADE and the summary of findings tables to reach consumers with evidence from systematic reviews. And we've explored how we could present those results in plain language summaries. And now we have guidance about how to do that. What else are we doing? Well, the other work you may know us by is from the software program Grade Pro. You will know that the program is used to make summary of findings tables for systematic reviews. Grade Pro is currently available for free online to make those tables. But some of you may remember when the program was something that you had to download to the computer. I know that the first time I downloaded it was 13 years ago. Since then, the program has really developed, and there are many versions of summary of findings tables available that you can create. There are tables for diagnostic systematic reviews, tables for multiple comparisons, and a whole suite of options for using systematic reviews in guideline development. So anything that's new, well, we have members working on how to use the GRADE approach in network meta-analysis, and they've also produced guidance on how to use GRADE in those reviews, and guidance on how to present those reviews in network meta-analysis summary of findings tables, and then also how to interpret the effect and the certainty of evidence in order to communicate the results. There's also ongoing work about how to assess evidence in diagnostic reviews and prognostic reviews while using GRADE, and then how to present that evidence in summary of findings tables. I cannot go into all the different projects in the GRADE Methods Group, but I hope I've given you some ideas. So how to learn more about us? Well, we always try to find opportunities to be able to provide others with an opportunity to learn, and also to learn the specifics about how to grade. Many members of ours are teaching about GRADE methods and teaching during webinars and presentations, and you'll find many of those presentations available on the Cochrane training website, so please visit there to see more. To wrap up, I am speaking on behalf of the two conveners of the group, Holger Schoenemann and Gord Guyot, when I say that we have really enjoyed working together in the Grading Methods Group, and if you'd like to join this exciting work, please do not hesitate to contact us. And thank you for listening.